Hey everyone, it's Chris Cavalli from Callagy Law. I'm a partner in the Family Law Division. I'm here tonight. We just had a great dinner with a bunch of awesome people, one of whom is Dr. Julie Davelman, who is a psychologist who we met recently and has a lot to offer. She's spoken now at some of our events, and she was awesome tonight at our dinner, Merging Ecosystems. And Julie, we're going to talk about a little bit. I want you to tell everyone how psychologists can help people like me, a family lawyer, and our clients going through difficult times, whether it be a divorce or custody issues. How can you help us and our clients as a psychologist getting involved in our cases?
So first, of course, thank you for having me. It's been really
welcome.
great. And one of the first things that people need to realize is that generally when attorneys are working with clients, those clients are coming in during a very stressful time during which they're not sure how to manage things and their coping skills are often exceeded. Right? So you're getting them usually at either their low or their angriest or at whatever extreme of their emotional spectrum they can be. What a psychologist can often do for attorneys is help you manage your clients so that you're not doing it when it's in your office. So if you need to plan a strategy for them going into court or submitting a motion, you're not having to deal with the crying and the emotion and then all the other stuff that goes with it.
You mean we don't have to be the psychologist too? Okay.
Right. So instead you let me have that
Great.
job.
Right. I like this.
So because that's what my role is to help that client process that and get to a spot where they can have a coherent conversation with you and be able to listen to you where they're not so stressed out, where they're not really processing what you're saying. So you're giving them great counsel, but they're not hearing you because they're so stuck in their own anxiety loop.
So you can actually help them focus on what I need them to focus on,
Exactly.
not all the extraneous stuff.
Exactly. So
Okay.
not only are they feeding you, I'm worried, he's going to be awful, she's going to be awful, they're going to bring this to me, but really being able to take a step back and breathe and have you talk to them and have them take that upon,
Well, that's a helpful tool for us. And then how about managing what they're actually going through?
So often from the psychologist end, what's helpful in terms of referring to an attorney for somebody who is dealing with issues is true information. So very often clients will come in and say, I can't file for divorce because this will happen. Or I'm afraid of bringing up this conversation to my husband or wife because if I say that, this will happen. And very often that information doesn't sound accurate to me, but I don't know anything. I'm not an attorney. So I will advise them to have a conversation. You're not making any decisions. You're not signing anything in blood. All you have to do is go have a conversation, and then you can be dealing with real information. And often I find that taking that step really calms fears because then they know, okay, maybe I'm not ready for this step, or maybe I'm a lot more ready for the step that I thought I was, or maybe I need to put these things in place before I'm ready for the step. And then we can talk about what that actually means in terms of managing their life once they have some real information.
Well, that's awesome because I think for any attorney, it's great advice to get someone like Dr. Julie, as we like to call her now, and I see a TV show someday. Not only can you help us, but obviously you're there primarily for my client, your client, patient, to help them through the time. So I look forward to working with you in the future.
Likewise.
And hopefully, if anyone has any questions, they know how to contact us, and we can help people out there, both attorneys and people going through difficult times. So thanks a lot.
Thank you.